the design process, it may be necessary to analyze the model in various operating states. Variants of the geometric representation of the model are designed to solve this issue. A variant of geometric representation is an associative copy of the model that differs in geometry or optical properties. In this lesson, we'll find out how it works. Also, we'll create a new version of the part. We need to add parts inside the housing. To get there, click Display Model section in the Quick Access bar. Coordinates are 0, 0, 0. I need to rotate the plane 90 degrees around the x-axis and change the direction. The Paint Section option should be enabled. Confirm. Start the Add Component from a File command. Select the oil retaining ring. Turn on by matings. Click Coincidence. Select the flat face of the housing and the ring. Select the cylindrical faces and click Coaxial. Confirm to insert the ring into the assembly. Insert one more ring on the other side. Confirm and stop the command. If you zoom in the model, you'll see that the ring body intersects the housing. In reality, the ring is compressed. Let's create a variant of the ring that represents the compressed state in the assembly. Start editing the ring in a separate window. In the Part context menu, select Create Variant. In the Name field, enter in Assembly. Confirm. Go to the Versions panel. The new variant has appeared here and become current. You can see the black dot here. The variant's objects are linked with the corresponding objects of the original variant. You can see the log symbol next to the variant's objects. All changes made to the original model are transferred to its variants. If you need to delete or change any elements in the variant, you need to cancel the link. The element becomes available for editing and deletion, and the Restore Link command appears in its context menu. In some cases, it's necessary to modify elements of a variant without breaking the link with the original model. For this, we use variables. Go to the Versions panel and make the original variant current. Left-click the gray square next to it. Then, go to the Variables panel. Create variables for the ring diameters. The outer diameter is 91. I'll move the comment column closer. The inner diameter is 40. Enter the variables for calculating the corresponding radii. Rebuild. Return to the Versions panel and make the in-assembly variant current. Go to the Variables panel, change the outer diameter value to 90, and rebuild. Then we'll create a new version of the oil retaining ring that we'll use later. Go to the Versions panel, make the original variant current, and click Create Version. Let's add the diameter information to the name. Confirm. Go to the Variables panel. Change the diameter values to 151 and 85. Rebuild. Create a new variant for this version and rename it to in assembly. Change the outer diameter value to 150 and press F5 to rebuild. Save the model. I've noticed that our model doesn't have a designation. Let's add it. Make the original version current. Add the diameter information to its name and enter the designation. Confirm. The other version has received the same designation with 01 added at the end. Save the model. Close the oil retaining ring tab and return to the reducer assembly. Change the current variant for the rings to in assembly using the command in the context menu. Now the ring body doesn't intersect the housing, but it's still the same part with the same mass. Save the model.